Good morning, friends. Right now we are in Delhi and having breakfast in Afghani restaurant in Bogal. So you can see today we are taking first of all this milk. It's lassi, Afghani lassi. So we will try first this Afghani lassi, and here is Mr. Karimi.
Hello guys, I'm Yusuf. Right now I'm in Delhi. It's like the name of this shop, Afghan restaurant. Evening for that dog, and Afghan people say for that dog.
Yeah, this is the dog, and in local language we call it lassi, Indian language. So this is his restaurant. All you can see is restaurant, Afghan restaurant in Bogal. So now we are going to start our breakfast, and I will show you what we are going to eat.
Also here too warm.
It's very warm in Delhi, very warm, and our AC was not working yesterday night, and we did not sleep all night. So it was all sweating, our whole body was sweating. And now we feel comfortable. We came in the shop and we'll have some lassi and also breakfast and tea. And after this lassi, I'm going to show you what breakfast we are going to have. Thanks.
Hey guys, so now we are in Afghan restaurant. We call for that name of that in Afghanistan say Chainiki. It is so famous food in Afghanistan. We come now in here to eat that. Okay.
So right now we are in Afghan restaurant. You can see how they serve our breakfast. It is Chainiki. The name of this food in Afghan language is Chainiki. It's mutton inside and with mutton and the soup of mutton also with tomato, I think.
Yeah.
Also tomato.
Everything
It looks very delicious. So in breakfast, Afghan people also eat mutton. But we Kashmiri don't eat mutton in breakfast. We like egg or tea. But today I am trying now to have some Afghani food. And they are very good people in Afghan restaurant. And we are going to start our breakfast. See how Karimi are putting bread inside the bowl. And now after that we will put also this Chainiki.
The Chainiki.
Chainiki, yeah.
Yeah, we also morning we eat also egg and something. But now my wife is not in Delhi. She is in Kashmir. But I can't make food in home. We come now in restaurant.
But it looks very nice. It's very delicious. And also we have salad with that. You can see long bread, Afghani bread. You see, first he put it in this bowl bread, and now he has put it this soup of this Chainiki, and also in Chainiki there is dal and also mutton. Now he is going to put mutton also inside.
But it's not spicy, but in Kashmir people eat a lot.
Lot of spices, yeah.
Spice food, but now
it is normal.
Spicy. It's normal, yeah.
How you like the taste? Very good?
So good, yeah.
It is very, Karimi like the taste and he said it's delicious. But
like
now I'm going to try it.
Yeah.
Guys, we are now having this Chainiki food in Afghan restaurant. You can see. So I'm going to taste it. Yeah. Looks delicious. It's mutton. It's mutton inside also. And it's my first time to try this Afghani food. Mutton also.
Also, we eat
It's very tasty and it's very good. It's very tasty, and now I tried this, and it's very delicious food in the breakfast. It's mutton, bread, and the soup, onion, dal, mixed, all mixed, and it's really tasty food. The restaurant, Afghan restaurant, we had breakfast today. You can see roasted chicken here. Bolgi. This is Afghani Bolani.
It's
Bolani.
famous in Afghanistan.
Very famous in Afghanistan.
This is made for inside
Tandoor.
Yeah. Inside
Ah, it
tandoor.
is good.
The
We
name
should,
of
we should
that,
also try this tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
We eat that.
Hi guys, now we are coming back to Afghan restaurant for a lunch. It was so hot today and we first repair our air condition. Now our AC is okay. So that's why after we came now back for a lunch, and after lunch we'll go to Old Delhi and we are going to show you old places in Delhi. And here is Mr. Karimi waiting for lunch.
Hello guys, we come right now in
Afghan restaurant.
Afghan restaurant. We want to eat Kabuli Palau. Kabuli Palau, famous food from Afghanistan. Yeah.
Yeah, now we are now having Kabuli Palau in Afghan restaurant in Gogol, and after lunch we'll go to show you some old Delhi, old places in Delhi. Thank you very much. So they serve us Afghani Palau. This is Afghani Palau. You can see raisins, rice, radish, and
Also meat.
also mutton.
Mutton.
Oh, everything is mutton. Lunch, breakfast, dinner, always mutton. But we have also some vegetables. Bindi. This is bindi.
Yes,
And also we have salad and also we have rajma. Yeah. So we are going to start our lunch now. You can see now I am crossing the railway line. See, train is coming over there, and you can see from here I am crossing now railway line. Yeah. We're going now to these houses. You can see how people live in Delhi near the railway tracks. You can see. This is all local market in Gogol. You can see most of the shops are from Afghanistan. In street food, pakoda, samosa, all different types. This is the street food of Delhi, and he's making now bread omelette. Let's see. I'm having pineapple juice, and this guy is making right now pineapple juice. You can see here mango, pineapple, pomegranate, orange. Now he is making for me. Masala इसमें नहीं डालना, plain, huh? Plain. So he's serving me now some pineapple juice. This is the place where we are living right now, in Ashram. Today I showed you some Afghani food and also some street food of Delhi, and also I showed you some shops about how people are doing business in Delhi. We are right now in Bogal, and about Bogal I showed you everything. It's a central Delhi, and I showed you everything what is happening in the market. And right now I'm in a garden near this Bogal, and thank you very much for watching my videos, and please subscribe me and also like my videos. Thank you very much.